What are we doing today and where am I today? I am at GKVK Road near Sahkar Nagar Road and I am at Sumadhura Sushantam. Now this project has a lot that I need to tell you about. They have premium 2 and 3 BHK luxury apartments, but other than that, what more do I have to tell you? Well, let me tell you something. And this project is constructed in a total land parcel of 7.3 acres, and there are going to be a total of 5 towers with 422 units of premium 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Now the towers are going to be of ground plus 40 floors of these premium homes. The 2 BHKs are of 1250 square feet. The 3 BHKs are of 1450 square feet and the 3 BHKs are of 1650 square feet, and the prices starts from 1.02 crores onwards. Now let me tell you something about the amenities. The property boasts of having more and multiple amenities likes of swimming pool, gymnasium, clubhouse, multi-purpose court, and also kids play area, jogging track, and many more. Well, Manyata Tech Park is just about 15 minutes from here, and there are also multiple hospitals and multiple education academies which are very close from here. In fact, the RMZ Galleria Mall is just about 10 minutes from this place. Now, isn't all of this amazing? And now I'm sure that you are more interested in knowing when and how can you visit the project so that you can come over here and see more details about it. Well, it's very simple. I'm going to tell you what. In the captions, there is a link mentioned. You have to click on the link so that you can register yourself on Property Cloud, and then one of our sales representatives will get in touch with you and will guide you through the rest of the process, which is hassle-free and brokerage-free. Isn't it absolutely amazing? Well, stay tuned to Property Cloud for more such project overviews. Thank you very much. This is Ekta Kapoor signing off. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And now that you've seen the project, I'm sure you are wondering how can you go ahead with the booking process and how can you come over here and see the property and multiple questions. Hang on there, I'm going to answer all your questions. Now, once that you have liked and shortlisted the project, all that you need to do is simply click on the link that's mentioned in the caption right over here. Once you do that, our salesperson will get in touch with you, and then all the properties that you have shortlisted, you can visit them in a day or maybe in 2 days so that you can escape the Bengaluru traffic, and this will all be done with a cab service which is absolutely free of cost. So you will get a free pickup and drop and visit all your properties, and also this is all brokerage free. This is absolutely zero brokerage because, as I told you, we connect you directly with the developers. So this is hassle free, it's cost free, and it is brokerage free as well. All you need to do is simply quickly click on the link below in the caption, and we're going to help you with all that you need to book your dream house with spot payment options, booking options, and many other offers and discounts. Do not forget that you also have to subscribe to our channel Property Cloud so that you can keep seeing such beautiful property in your locality and all across. We're also present not only all over India but also overseas in various countries like in the USA, in Canada, Singapore, and many other places. So this is Property Cloud for you, helping you buy your dream home hassle-free and brokerage-free. Thank you.